So the thing is, the person who can make the best twin photo will win something massive. What's up everyone, Awesomeness TV here, back with another awesome video. And so today what I'm going to teach you guys is how you can duplicate yourself in photos. Like for example, this picture right here, like in which I am, like there's one image and like there are two me's inside of that image. So I'm going to show you, like you can trick people into thinking that you have twins, or you can duplicate your photos in thinking that they're two different people in the same place. And believe me, some people also fall for this trick as well. But before this video starts, give this video a thumbs up if you will enjoy, and subscribe down below, as I will show you free methods on how you can do it, and it will actually cost you $0. So let's go with the video. So if you learn so you will learn something very useful out of this, and if you implement it in one of your photos and send it to me over at awesomeness@gmail.com, I will review it, and if yours is the best, then I will give you something very good. So if you do so, very good, and winners will be announced at the end of January, so stay tuned by that, by subscribing and turning on the bells. And until then, let's get going with the video. So firstly, what you want to do is actually take two different photos, but with the same background, like one like this and the other one like this. So these are the same background pictures with two different, like this is the same picture with the same background but two different images, one standing on the right, the other standing on the left, so that we can mask out easily. If both the images are interfering on one another, it will be quite difficult, but at the same time you can do it. But I'll show you the easy way today, because I know most of you are beginners out here, so you need to really need to try this so that it's easy for you. So now that you have taken both of these pictures, what you want to do is download any of the two programs which I'm linking down below in the description, but I prefer the easier one because it's much easier to do so, and the steps are also simple on that, because Photoshop is easy, but I am not used to that, so I can't really show you guys because it will be the first time of me doing in Photoshop. So I'll show you a paint.net tutorial right now, and if you haven't downloaded, links in the description, and this will be very easy for you guys if you follow the tips. But Photoshop is also linked down below for free if you want to download that. Thank me later and download it first, so that you can learn Photoshop as well, because my next tutorials will be on Photoshop and you guys will be, stay tuned with that. So other than that, let's go and let me show you now what you want to do after you have taken two photos. Now, so we're actually over here at the software. It's open, so when you first time open it up, it will be looking something like this. So what you want to do is, you move your pictures over here, add layer, add them again, and now they're over here. So as you can see, both of them are over here. So from here, what you want to do is take this tool and briefly just make sure that they don't interfere. So what you want to do is Control I, delete, something like this. I know it's not like coming out as you would expect it to be, but then what you want to do is pretty simple. Zoom into the part which you think should have been like good. So we see that this part over here is getting cut off. So what we'll do is take this full part and delete that. It's we'll make this. Then we'll select on that layer which we cut. Then what we'll take is this eraser tool, make the hardness 0 and make it around 80%. And what's this is we will now just trace this part out, so that what it does is put it in like this. So here is exactly what you did, and here is how you can duplicate it. Now, so after you're done with that, you can merge both of them. But before, there is actually some corrections we need to do in both of them. First of all, the color. What we can do with the color is you can just erase it off, and we can just make it, and we'll just merge it. And then what we'll do next is actually add some brightness in the picture, because and this is how you do it. So and the pictures weren't taking that good, but this is the final version, and you can take better pictures, and you can actually like make them better than this. It was just a very little effort put on this thing, but other than that, this is how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial on how to duplicate yourself in a picture, how to make yourself twins in a picture to freak your friends out. I hope this helped you out enough, so give this video a thumbs up. Hope you are having a wonderful day today. Make sure you subscribe because it's absolutely free, and you will get free tutorials like this every single week, I guess. So give this video a thumbs up again, and until then, my name is Ali. You're watching Awesomeness TV. Tomorrow, peace.